a budget. Well, a lot of you guys. Okay, what do you want me to do? I'll do anything. Guys, the game master said to look under my pillow. Should I go?
Yeah. This is really
my
weird.
messy bed. Go under that pillow. Maybe the game master is not real because I have 100 pillows. I have 100 pillows and I can't. Maybe this is a prank.
Who do you think would prank you?
I don't know. But let's just keep looking.
What does it say?
Go outside and wait in an open area.
I don't know. Do you think it's Daddy?
I don't know.
Let's go ask him.
Should I write this down?
Let's go ask him.
Daddy, did you steal my LOL doll? Playing Fortnite.
Are you the game master? What have you been doing this whole time?
Knitting baskets.
Fortnite. Of course. Do you believe him? Or do you think it's Daddy?
I believe him.
Yeah. Go away.
You go away.
So guys, I'm gonna check the tape to see who it really is, or if it is my dad or not.
Alright, let's see if you can pull it up on there.
Hold on. Let's see. Like. Guys, there's someone that looks like the game master. I don't know if it's my dad or not. I have to think about this.
What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Real or not real?
Not real.
So you want to ignore the note? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay then. Time for bed.
Mom, look what I'm gonna do with this.
In the trash it goes.
Well guys, so I'm gonna go to bed and I'll see you in the morning. Where am I? I'm handcuffed. There's only a key works to open this. What am I gonna do? See, look. This handcuff is hooked to the chain. Wait, where's the chain goes outside? It goes outside. You can see the. Look at it. Wait, hang on. It's out. It's attached out the window. Why does this have to happen to me? Eesh.
Say 1 minute I'm sleeping in my bed, and the next minute I'm handcuffed to a chain in a box for jail with just a camera and an iPad.
So, 1 minute I'm in my bed sleeping, the other minute I'm in this box for a jail with a camera and an iPad. I don't get it. Do I get to play video games? No, I don't want to. Guys, there's a note on the door. It says, you have 24 hours to escape your fur baby is the key to escaping. What? What does that mean? I know what the rest of the words say, but I don't know what the fur baby means. I wish there was just some way to break the chain open. How am I supposed to find a key in this tiny room? Suri, how am I gonna escape back for jail?
Here's what I found on the web for how am I going to escape box for jail.
You gave me no reasons. Why is the game master putting me in jail?
Okay, I found this on the web for why is Game Master currently in jail.
I didn't say that. I thought it was my dad, but maybe it really was the game master. So this computer is no use. Maybe I can find a key somewhere. Last time, I don't know where it was. I can't go so far. Game Master. Okay. Hello?
Hello. Do not doubt who I am. You must solve the puzzle to escape.
Can I have any hints for the puzzle? Is there any way that I can I have at least one hint?
Your fur baby has the key. The fur baby is the key to getting out. Goodbye.
Can I have a question? Ask. How rude.
You are not supposed to call me.
I was saying, what is a fur baby?
Ask Suri.
Sorry, what is a fur baby?
Okay,
What is a fur baby?
okay, I found this on the web for what is a fur baby.
This is weird. Not liking this situation. What is a fur baby? What is a fur baby? It's a furry baby. My pet! But how do I get to my pet? Call Loki. Loki, come here, come here. Come here, boy. Loki, you want a treat? Come here. Hi, come here. Hi. Here, Loki, come here. Hey, got my dog in here. Yay. You have the key? Wait, guys, I found the key. Oh no, Loki. Okay. Found the key. Will this work? I'm free. Guys, I did it. I'm free, but I wonder what's next. I guess I'll just have to crawl out of here. Whee! I'm back in the normal office. Oh. Ooh. Hello. Ew. Let's open it. So there's a note. And a key. What is this for? Go outside in the wide open and wait. Guys, this video is gonna have to be continued. I hope the Game Master doesn't do anything to me tonight. Guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, tell us in the comments down below if you want us to do more of this, because I know we have to solve this mystery. Guys, I hope you liked this video. If you do, make sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe, bye.